Hello everyone, let's create a query based collection for our devices. So we'll go to our devices collection, right click, create new collection, and we'll give it a name, query based. For an example, you can give it as per your own, and we'll use all systems. This is the limiting collections. So all the queries and all the machines that we are going to add, it will only be able to add it from the limiting from the machines which are added in this limiting collection option. We'll click on next. Over here we'll click on add rule, query rule. So now I will add query for an example. Okay, so let's do, then we need to click on edit query statement. Perfect. So here till here this is an easy steps. Now what we need to do is the machines that we want to get added into our query, we need to add all those machines in a single line just like this. So I am going to create a query based collection for CM1, DC1, GW1, and we need to give some Excel to make our queries set up in a perfect way. So first of all I'll add here quotes, then I'll add quotes and a comma just like this. And the same thing we need to do it for the rest of the machines. Okay, quotes, quotes, quotes in front of them over here like this. Now we'll go to the next column where we are going to run the Excel formula. So we have to merge these three cells. To merge it, we are going to use an Excel formula. So we'll go to G, and we are going to use an AND formula. So to enter any Excel query, equal to, so this is my first row D and this is my column 2, so D2. Now we have to use and is used to merge this. Now we'll have to merge the E2 again, and we have to merge the F2. Okay, this is how we have to merge all this query, and you need to hit enter. Once it is created, it would look like this: quotes CM1, your machine name, quotes, comma. You need to drag this for all the machines whatever you have. Now you should copy this and open notepad. So this is the command which we are going to use. Very simple command. I will paste the same command in my YouTube description as well. Go down in the brackets, you need to paste these details just like this, and you need to remove the last comma. You can remove it, it won't impact anything, but just a good practice. So this is how your query look likes for whatever machine. If you have 100 machines, you have to get all the 100 machines just like this, bracket close, bracket open, and it should look like this. You need to copy this, go to your same profile where, like, just let me show it to you again. Once you select the query base, this is what you will get. Click on edit query statement, show query language, and you need to paste, remove this and paste your query. Click on OK. Also you can check the same in your own lab. Run. Okay, these are my three machines, they are coming up. Close. Okay, it's my bad. Okay, next, next, close. So this is my query base, what name I have given. I just have to refresh it. The three machine will come up here. Okay, now I can see my three machines here. This is how you can create a query based collection. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.